Then last night, SpaceX set a new record as they launched a booster for the 14th time. On board were some Starlink satellites, 34 I think, plus the Blue Walker 3 test satellite for AST Space Mobile's planned space-based cellular broadband network.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition, and lift off of Falcon 9. Go Blue Walker 3, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Now, Blue Walker 3 is a 1,500 kilogram beast with a large phased array antenna, 10 meters in diameter, 64 square meters in size. Oh my gosh. This antenna will be used to communicate directly with consumer cell phones, not unlike SpaceX and T-Mobile's plans for Starlink. One thing that was mentioned during the chat and afterwards was the concerns for this half a tennis court sized antenna array to basically to appear as very bright in the sky, perhaps even brighter than Venus. And fortunately, this is just one satellite, but you know, like Starlink, there will be a fleet of these things, potentially littering the evening and the morning skies with little moving white dots. Again, there's a push and pull, a give and take, a compromise that has to be reached between maintaining the pristine appearance of the sky, of the night sky, and getting business done. But of course, most of us don't get the opportunity to see very many satellites at all. A lot of us can barely see the ISS, which is the brightest thing in the sky, besides the moon and the sun, of course. But for astronomy and for folks such as our more rural viewers, the presence of these large, brightly reflecting satellites will definitely mar the night sky. So SpaceX's boosters are designed to be reused at least 10 times. This was the booster's 14th landing. It previously launched Crew Demo 2 with Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley back in May 2020, Onassis 2, Cargo Dragon CRS-21, Transporter 1, Transporter 3, and 8 Starlink missions. It has landed on Of Course I Still Love You 6 times, Just Read the Instructions 4 times, A Short Fall of Gravitas 3 times, and Landing Zone 1 at Cape Canaveral once. There are 2 other boosters that have flown 13 times, and 2 more that have flown 10. So that's a snapshot of the reusability of the SpaceX fleet. And without further ado, here is the landing.
Landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And great news, Falcon 9 has landed.
So we see, no matter how many times these boosters launch, their landing performance, from what I've observed, seems equivalent from the first time through the 14th time. That is to say, they do an equivalently good job, no matter how many times they've been flown, which is excellent.